Pisces. This is your channel messages for the 24th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, this is your channel song. What are you doing here, Ariana? What are you doing here? Why is Ariana here? Don't need permission, make my decision to test my limits. Cause it's my business, God as my witness, start what I finished. Don't need no hold up, taking control of this type of moment. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused, my mind is open. All that you got, skin to skin, oh my God, don't you stop, boy. Oh, something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about you. Pisces, I don't know what it is. Something very scintillating about you. Alright, I don't know what it is. It could be a married man energy. I know it is. Something about you makes me think that you have another woman. Something about him makes me wanna question things that I shouldn't. I don't know if someone's married. Maybe he's a married man. Me getting somebody seem very too good. Somebody seem too practiced. How do you have so much practice dealing with me? Because there might be a married man. If it's not a married man, I'm getting something about him makes you feel like a dangerous woman. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. All right, Pisces, we're doing a pick a card reading today. So pick your card. Call me now. Vanessa here. You want to know your future, Pisces? I said no, Pisces. Let me tell you some Pisces. The man who you see your neighbor, Pisces. I noticed the neighbor been eyeing you a few times, but Pisces, what I am getting is no, Pisces, that the neighbor likes you, but he does not talk to you if your man is around because he does not want to get his ass whooped, Pisces. You understand? Calm me now, okay? So here you go, Pisces. And just so you know, you use Cleo for calm me now. Cleo wasn't Jamaican. She was an actress. I should tell you. After on a scam out her plot, use our image, use our face, use our readings, use everything, I never pay her nothing. Wow. She wanna scam her just like how she did scam the whole country, make the people them think that she was Jamaican. She wasn't even Jamaican. Call me now. Anyways, here's your 3 cards. So pick a card. So if this card is your card, Pisces, we're dealing with the devil. I'm getting you're dealing with a Capricorn. Sorry, because I don't want them ban me thing. Because them ban me thing already. Because them say I was showing titties and penis. And they need to make YouTube a safe community. YouTube, you not making this a safe community. If I say the girl them want to take off them, do this fast on YouTube shorts them, but you don't want to ban man's terrors, discrimination. Anyways, the Capricorn is what is your fortune right now. Me getting a deal with the Capricorn, you're dealing with the devil, or me getting something about you, something about somebody else make you feel like a dangerous woman. Meaning you wanna do things that you shouldn't. Alright, so I'm getting the devil. Somebody, me getting when you meet, I don't know if you're meeting a guy who very innocent, me getting you willing to do anything, anything where him want, him will get. Anything where him want, him will get. In a life, in a death, make my wants to cut. Anything where him want, him will get. Me getting you there with this girl, you're there with this guy, you never been freaky before, you don't know what it's like to perform certain activities, but I'm getting with this person, you're willing for the anything goes. She said that from you, anything goes. I'm getting anything goes for this person. They make you feel like a dangerous woman. Maybe somebody make you feel sexy, confident. Maybe you're a MILF, and I keep telling people all the time, they keep telling me to go to the gym. Why do I need to go to the gym when the MILFs are taking over? Exactly. So, over, right? Okay, so the next card is the Five of Pentacles. Me getting abandonment though. So maybe that's what the man is. Him is a type of man, incubus, who come around and he will bring out the deep, like the nastiest, the raw, the dirtiest type of sexual activity he will bring out with you. Maybe more you for do the dirtiest, raunchiest sexual activity with you, I don't know. But me guessing right after he make you do everything, sell your soul in the bedroom, basically, I'm gonna abandon you. And then you're going to feel like, oh my God, I just meet this guy, or I met this guy, do all type of these dangerous, weird ass shit to me, and then he leave me. And then you just feel used, abused, and sweetie, never feel used. If a guy ever, he would never call you back and you're crying, so you just go to Pornhub. Don't never feel like a man could have used you just because I'm to have sex with you. Never. That's the trick that man taught women. Oh, him can't leave you. Oh, your body count is 4. You know worth nothing. Sweetie, you are worth more than man could understand on Pornhub. Remember that. Okay? Great. So I'm getting somebody have sex with you, draw out all time. I don't know if you do threesome with them, I don't know where you made them finish, right? But me getting after them do that with you, them abandon you, and you feel terrible. I'm also getting somebody into bestiality. So I'm getting that's why them abandon the dog. Them finish use the dog in the house for sexual pleasures. Now them go move. Them don't want nobody to know what them been doing with this dog wherever them there. So that's why them abandon the dog. I'm getting because they were using dog for sexual purposes, for sexual pleasures. Actually, if the dog go to a home, you might see some symptoms of the dog having a lot of over-sexually gestures between it and the owner, it and the trainer. Me getting kind of whoever used to do something with this dog. Anyways, continuing the reading, we have the Emperor coming out. So we have Capricorn, the Emperor, and now we have this person. Now, while this person will look like them have sex with you and abandon you, the Emperor look like them here for stay. Lost the lamb on him shoulder. So never feel used because the man have sex with you and don't call you back. Girl, you are wasting your talent and hub wants to recruit. It's not discriminative. I'll tell you that, right? So I'm getting, yeah, the Capricorn might want to use it, the Emperor don't. We have the Three of Swords, yeah. I'm getting it's hard to trust the Emperor. I'm getting the Capricorn they gave your body to, and because they took advantage of you, you being the Emperor, you don't want to give him nothing. Emperor, come sign your name for my leg then, please. Emperor, come sign your name for my, come sign your name. Here, you're signing your name on my leg. Why would you sign your name on my leg? You don't need to sign it yourself. I sure did it. No, she do this. She do this, Natalie done. I sure did it. I show Titty, Natalie, give me a ticket, Natalie. Wait, you have to audition like anybody else. No, come on, man, I'm serious. I came here 3 times. I show Titty, Natalie. Natalie, no, I show Titty. Emperor, why you signing my thighs that weighs 3 pounds? Why you not signing my titties? Why you not signing my tits, right? All I do is sign tits and be naked shit, right? Emperor, you need to come sign my put your signature on my sorry. And the last card is the Hermit, Virgo. You just a hide. Where have you been, Emperor? I've not seen in a very long time. The last time I saw you was in my dreams and you weren't doing what I would hope you to do. Also, there's something about a Virgo who I look. There's something between an Emperor and a Virgo. Maybe them find out something about this situation, they find out about it. Or me getting something about the Emperor and like your father. My daddy don't like you and he hates everyone. And I never like to admit he's always wrong. But I've been so caught up with YouTube, didn't see what's going on, but now I know. My daddy still hates everyone, so if you like the way you look that much, don't ask my dad for shit, come to me yourself. And if you think you can win his heart, let me tell you something that would never happen. Okay, so yeah. So going back to your card selection, choose the card that you believe is saying something to you. Now, if you have chose this card, for your card, we have the Eight of Swords, sorry. So I'm getting a feeling trapped. You feel like you can't move, you can't make a decision, or you feel stuck. Something is causing you major anxiety. I won't lie, when I see the Eight of Swords, I usually think you just go up on one trip with one man and come back and you feel anxiety. Hopefully he did not do magic on you. Like him carry up on some hill. The Eight of Swords, because there's swords around her, them not harm her, them not escort her anywhere. She just can't move and she can't see. She don't know what's wrong. And she can't see what's wrong. I'm getting because someone put you there. You have a Tower card, yeah, somebody put you there. That's why everything will go wrong around you. You wonder what me I do wrong. Why am I getting this treatment? Why am I can't grow? Why this? Because somebody put you there. Everything orchestrated. This is for you to believe that you are doing something wrong or you need to work harder. You're not doing nothing wrong or you don't need to work harder. I'm getting somebody put you here. Then put you here and say, okay, go for this job. You go for the job and I get the job. Duh, because the person put you here. All of the stress you're feeling, it ain't motherfucking real. It's stress that is caused by somebody else to put you in fear, to cripple you, to make you don't try again. We have the king of, maybe it's a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius man who's doing this to you, or him now want you to try again. Something like this. Or I'm getting someone put you in a situation and you end up overcame the situation and now they want to come back and say, sorry, I didn't know you'd survive. You're the Eight of Cups. Me getting them abandon you or them turn away from you. Or me getting them put you in this tower moment. Them put you, me getting them put you here, leave you here, and then abandon you. And look on the clothes what the king of, look on the clothes he's wearing compared to what she are wear. Me getting him put you in a display, put you in this place, him know what happen to you, and then him gonna abandon you. He might even throw you out, but him know what happen already. Before you even know him know, because you're blindfolded. You started off wrong. We have the Page of Wands, we have the Emperor coming out, okay? So I'm getting something about the Emperor's son, somebody father working in a military, or somebody father an ex-police officer, right? We have the World card. Is that it? Yeah, I'm sorry, that is actually it. Yeah, we have the World card, finishing the reading. Me getting somebody named father, son and father. Or me getting something about you never like how the way this Libra, this Aries, Sagittarius, Leo man treat this woman. You have a son, you want your son there with a woman. Me getting the King of Wands older than your son younger. But because him abandoned her, you actually, why me don't know if you want her to. Cause I feel like you like somebody, but you're like, I like this woman, I would do things to her, but I am old. I'm not sure if she like me, but I'm sure she'll be good enough for my son. That's what I'm getting here. Your final card that you may or may not have selected, or you just waited until you see it being selected, is the Hangman. So I'm getting new introspection, a new ideology of seeing something, seeing a way of living, or maybe reconsidering how you make decisions. Usually you go on emotions, maybe you need to go on facts. But as Alan Watts says, that we can never know entirely what it is to know about a decision before we make it. And usually we will think very, 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 very hard about this decision. And when the time comes, we just make a rational decision and flip a coin. We also have the Knight of Cups coming out. Okay, it could be how you see women. Me getting, yeah, you're a man, you're independent. Yes, yeah, you don't need no woman. You can cook, you can clean, but maybe a woman wants to do that for you. You keep a talk about what a woman brings to the table. Oh, but you can replace her with a cleaner. Well, if she loves you, she want clean for you. She want to make sure you come home and be like, oh my God, it smells so, did you buy a new fragrance today? Yeah, I did, oh my God. She wants to make sure that you buy her a vacuum for fucking Christmas, okay? She wants a vacuum cleaner for Christmas. Right? Right. And I'm getting you're like, I mean, yes, you attend to her too, whether that's sexually, that's emotionally, that's giving her compliments, that's maybe giving her gifts, whatever. Me getting, have you ever wondered how women attend to you emotionally? She want massage you, she want touch you, she want serve you, she want cook for you. She want you try out her, I don't know, maybe your wife or whoever this girl is, me getting she cook. So she always make a taste test her things. Me getting when a woman love you, she want serve you. That's how you know she love you. She want serve you. She will say, no, let me do it. And you'll be like, no, no, let me do it. And she'll be like, no, no, let me do it. Because she loves you. She wants to serve you. She's showing acts of kindness towards you. Yeah, we have a 9 of Pentacles. And I'm getting whether she act like she don't need a man, or she act like she can buy herself flowers, or she act like she is the... Let me tell you something. When you look at me, you see a real balls ass bitch, right? Even if she act like she's the most independent person already, when it comes on, when she's beside a masculine, it's different. She can be this person alone. She can be this person around other males. She can be this person around females. But when it comes down to the person who she going to lay down beside, she's going to always be like this. You're looking on someone's external demeanor as to how them carry themselves and make money in the world, as that's how them going to be to you. So you say, no, she's not a pentacle, she don't need a man. I bet if she have a man, she wants to step on a man. She want a man to be a simp. Yes, I want a man to be a simp. Fucking duh. Why would I deal with a man who's not a simp for me? Any man must go down for rape me to the ground. He must rape me to the ground. Right? But you're looking on someone as a single person. You don't know how them stay in a relationship. Alright? We have a devil card. Yeah, me getting when somebody obsessed, them obsessed. When somebody love you, them love you. I'm getting I really love this person too. Someone's addictive, you always like to be in them energy, you always like to be around them. The devil card, we have Virgo, we have Capricorn here. We also have the Emperor here. We have the 4 of Wands, and we have the 9, King of Wands as well. Yeah. I'm also getting you don't want to live with the person, something about you don't want to share the home. Or me getting you and your boyfriend are living in the exact same apartment building. You're not going to live in the same house. If you have a room, that's so you have a room, that's so. And so you're going to meet your new boyfriend, you're going to meet this person like this. Somebody's scared of you, shitless though. Me think somebody's scared of you. Them terrified of you, them scared. Them don't know what you will do to them, or them just don't know. Them don't know you. We got Cancer. Something about you makes me feel the way we're moving, like introducing to nothing. Oh, say the later to Ariana, what are you doing here, Ariana? Oh my God, don't you stop, boy. My Cancer showed up, Ariana. Something about you makes me feel like a dangerous woman. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about you. Ooh. You haven't tell her who she was talking about. Meditation, Big Sean. Something about you. Me say the only thing that's over my YouTube thumbnail is why Big Sean won't marry Janae Aiko. This is why he married Janae Aiko. Janae Aiko got a shut up ring. Meanwhile, I'm divorced and homeless. I'm fighting for my fucking life. Ariana, do not worry. Don't worry, sweetie. Spirit attached. Initiation ritual. A lot of green here. Yeah, you're young. You look young. Ariana, is that a problem you're facing? I face that problem too. A lot of people think I'm a teenager. That's why some of these women want to talk to me like I'm their daughters. Sweetie, I'm not a daughter. I'm going to take your husband. So you need to act accordingly, okay? Great. Yeah, Ariana, she look young. She look like a kid. Tyler too. Tyler look young. Tyler look like a kid. Ariana look like a kid. They look very, very small. Very, very young, even though they are older, right? So I don't know if there's something about that agenda. Third eye. Strength. And there is a ghost in my room. It could be Ariana. I remember somebody said, Ariana, remember one time they said something where when she just go Hollywood, she wouldn't sleep alone. And she didn't make her assistant sleeping on the bed with her because she had sittings. I remember one time, Cancer. I wonder if she has a Mac. A Mac she has say, me getting you see this figure in your bedroom at night time. It might be Mac. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.
Oh my God. Go!